Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look at the gold market. So you can see our warnings were not in vain, and we said yesterday that, well, this really big probability exists that market could just break through this top and continue upward action, because on the daily chart we have clear signs of the bullish dynamic pressure, and that pattern has realized its power. So we can see lows stands high while trend stands bearish, and that's indication of the bullish pressure, and indeed market shows the upward action and taking out of this top. Now what we could expect next? Actually 1605 is the first target of our butterfly that we have specified, but take a look guys at this action. It's really fast acceleration to the upside. Maybe on a daily chart we could get the overbought, but on the weekly chart we're not at the overbought probably, and even on a daily we're not at the overbought. The market has potential to proceed high, and usually when the market accelerates to the first butterfly target, it means that next butterfly target will be reached with a high degree of certainty. This is a question of time. Maybe market will show some consolidation or minor pullback here first, but in general we're tending to the next destination point. The next target will be 1620 approximately. So here's how it looked like. On the follow time frame chart, that's our butterfly. It has been completed. Divergence that we have specified inside the triangle also has been completed, so because market has taken out of this top, this minimal target usually. Here's I marked the acceleration right to the target of the butterfly. So that's when you see this kind of action with the butterflies, it means that it would be better to wait for taking the short position a bit more and consider 1618 extension. Do not trade short in the right at 127. Well, it works not every time, but as a rule, this is a correct statement. And that's why here is marked the arrow right to this destination point. Meantime, on the hourly chart, you can see reaction on the OP was really anemic, almost no reaction, and that was really great moment that we discussed yesterday. So if you remember, we said do not take the short position just at OP blindly. It would be better to get the clear bearish pattern. So when we talked about the hand shoulders, and here as you can see we've got no pattern, and that prevents any entry right here on the short side of the market. Right now we're going higher. Currently guys, we are coming actually to the XOP, which is a 1609, the same ABCD pattern XOP, and this target coincides, as you can see, with butterfly 127 extension. Stands just $4 above it. So maybe here some reaction will happen here, maybe 30% of the most recent action, but I do not suggest that it will be really significant. It will be minor probably reaction because of the same reasons that we have here the acceleration. Here reaction probably will be shy, and then market theoretically should continue action right to the 1621. Just remind you that our major target stands around 1650 on the monthly chart. This is major 618 resistance area, and this is a very important level. So we said that market probably has to reach it in some medium-term perspective. So that's what we're talking about in our weekly reports on the gold market. But here, if you're a scalp trader, you of course could drop to the 15-minute chart, watch for some bearish reversal pattern such as this butterfly is forming. Once it will be complete, you can try to take the very short-term short position with the reaction on the maybe for $5-7 on these targets. But do not marry in position, book profit fast, because as overall tendency stands to the upside, and you can see it shows the acceleration, which means that any retracement here will be probably very small. So that's what we see currently on the gold.